Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Pinterest history. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Pinterest and go to the search bar and you can see some of your history. You can individually delete this by clicking on the cross icon. You can see there are a lot of histories. So you can clear this one by one, or you can go to your profile, click on privacy and data, scroll all the way down and find clear app cache. Go ahead and tap on it and the cache will be cleared. Now if you go back to your search history, you can see that the search history might be cleared, or else you can just go ahead and clear it this way. So you can see that the cross will finally be over because you have the search histories, and you can see that these histories can be cleared. So it's quite simple. Go to the search and go to privacy and data, scroll all the way down and click on delete your data, or else you can go to clear cache app and do this, or else you can go to account management and you can see that delete your data in account. You can delete your data. So guys, this is how you delete your Pinterest history. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.